How to change your TikTok password.
Start out on your profile page. Then click the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From there, tap the gear icon that appeared, which is also in the top right corner. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Accounts. Next, tap on Password. You can see it sends a 6-digit code to your phone. Let me quickly grab that code because it's actually going to a different phone number than the one I'm using to record this screen. Now that I have the code, I'll type it in. Here you can type in your new password. I'm going to do this now. There you go. All you have to do is tap the tap the button and the password will be updated. Before you go, check this out.